So today I'm going to show you how you can get free Bitcoin on Cash App. So what we're going to do is have the app loaded up here in real time, and I'm going to quickly show you how this is done. So right over here on the main page of Cash App, you have a couple different options on the bottom side of the screen. We're going to go ahead and click on the one to the second on the left-hand side. Kind of looks like a debit card. Here, if you don't already have the free debit card, it will give you the option to order it. You do need a debit card in order to get these free Bitcoin. Now, what you're going to do is once you have the debit card, click on Add Boost. And the very first option right over here is to get free Bitcoin. Now, the way this works effectively is like a refund or a boost feature, which is essentially just getting money back for your purchases. Now, you can go ahead and click on the actual boost and it'll give you some detailed information. Like this, for example, says it's expiring in 3 days, but this has been consistently renewing every time this expires. So this has been going on for a couple of weeks. You can see the minimum purchase you need to do to get this nice boost feature is spend at least $1.50, and the max you can earn at any one given swipe is up to $7.50 or an equivalent in Bitcoin money. And then you can use this once every hour. So once you use it, you have to wait an hour before you can use it again. And right now it is earning a 3% worth of Bitcoin on 3 different purchases. So that depends on how much you're spending. You can actually be earning quite a bit of Bitcoin if you're using the money from Cash App. Now, one side thing is you do need to have that money available in your Cash App balance to be able to spend to get those free Bitcoins. And when you do, they go ahead and go into your Bitcoin account, which if you want to learn how to sell those free Bitcoins, check out my video right over here to learn just how to do that. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in that next video.